This afternoon we're going to talk about, we're going to show a few drills that we do with players in the top 10. I was telling you this morning, when we have Nishikori, when he was 200 in the world, he got stuck because he was losing a lot of points hitting the net. So what we devised is the one that I use at the academy is longer, it's 8 feet long. This one is 6 feet long to be able to travel with it. So the idea with this is that the players have to hit the ball deeper. Now, if I put the rope that you usually have seen, you probably have seen a rope that goes from one side to the other, one high rope. The reason I don't like that rope is because the players start hitting up high and the ball starts bouncing short. The whole idea with this is that the player in the other side is forced to hit deeper. The ball is coming heavier and deeper. So it's a way for them. Now, if you see, will I ask you later, so you can figure out their position on the court at this time. All right, so the first drill that we do is to hit the ball high over the net. The next drill that we're going to do is we're going to move this to this side. And they're going to do the same hitting cross court. Okay? Everything over the barrier. If you look where I put the barrier, it's 3 steps. Basically, 3 steps from the service line. It's 3 steps. The height of the barrier is the same height as the net. Now, if you don't have a barrier, you can use a basket, you can use a table, use your imagination. I'm telling you, these drills, as simple as they are very effective. Another thing that I want you to keep in mind is that tennis has already been invented. The drills that the professional players do is the same drills they've been doing since they were 12 years old. Most of those players, they do the same drills over and over and over again for years. That's why they become so automatic when they play. So you got the first drill, right? We understand the first drill. The main thing is to hit the ball deep, to hit the ball heavy. Now, if you look at Nishikori, if you look at Maria Sharapova, let's go cross court again. If you look at Sharapova, Tommy Haas, all those guys, not Tommy plays farther back. But most of these guys that I coach, they play very close to the line. I don't let them back up. So same thing, Nishikori is very fast, but he was not taking advantage of how quick he was. So what I did is I started playing with 2 of these in the baseline so he couldn't back up. During matches, I did the same. At the beginning, he hated it. It was very uncomfortable for him. It wasn't natural for him. But I guarantee you that if you close your eyes and you think about Nishikori when he plays very close to that line. But it's something that you have to reinforce. It's not a matter of telling them. You have to put something in the back so they realize that if they go back, they hit the target. The first time I saw this, I think I told you some of you before, the first time I saw this was in Andre Agassi's house. His father had a tennis court, and right behind where the thing is, he had the wall. So if Andre took the racket back, he hit the wall. So this is a very good drill. At the same time, a very good drill to make sure they hit the ball early. If you look at the position on the court, he's very close to the line. If you look at his position on the court, he's farther back and drilling. And the reason why, because he's taking the time away from the opponent. He's not hitting harder. He's hitting at the same speed. Now, the third part of this drill is now we have 2 targets. We do the same, but that we put the target in the back and we put another target there. So when he hits the ball, go ahead, keep going. When he hits the ball has to go deeper, but at the same time, he cannot back up. The key with this drill are legs. The key with this drill, they have to be very low when they hit the ball. They really have to be low. So the purpose of the drill is not backing up. We do the same in the back and side. All right. I'm just going to show you the 3 drills that we did with Nishikori to go from 200 to 40 in the world. That was the second drill. The third drill, you're going to serve. Serve, wait. Can you put the basket on the other side? Now, before it was 3 steps. Now I put 4 steps on the net. 1, 2, 3, and 4 from here. Second serve, over the barrier. Let me see that spin, baby. Ooh. Remember that I told you at 200 when we were analyzing his matches, he was getting hurt with the second serve. He was getting hurt because the ball didn't have any spin on it. The ball was bouncing very low, and the players were attacking his second serve. So we started serving with that barrier every day. That's it. Now, to do this, you really have to use your legs. That's right. If you use your legs, you get it over. Now, all right. You got the idea. They had to serve over the barrier. Look at the position and look how long it is. It's not a chair. I mean, this is long. Remember, the one that I use is longer. This is 6 feet. The ones that when you go to the academy, all of them are 8 feet long. They are longer. Now, these are, to me, were the 3 drills that we did with him a lot that he wanted to practice. But then on his own, he started working on the slice. Now, that was his drill. He put the target here. You have to hit a slice, cannot hit the barrier. So you got to really open up the court. Now, if you look at Nishikori, every time he's in trouble when he's serving, he's going to go for that wide serve because he got very confident with that serve. Now, this was his drill. I didn't bring it into the picture. He brought it into the picture. And when he started hitting better, then, he started hitting better, then he moved it up. So every time challenging himself more and more. Same thing with the kick. When he got better, he started putting the barrier back, farther back, to make sure that he had enough spin. All right. Clear? Clear. Now, we're going to move to another player. Federer. I traveled with him for 8 weeks. I'm not his coach, and I never say he was his coach, but I traveled with him for 8 weeks. I was trying to help him. This is the drill that he used to do. To me, it's a very good drill. First, we're going to start with 2 homeworks. So, you're going to hit the ball deep. As you hit the ball, I'm going to give you another ball in the air, and you're going to hit a drop shot. So you're hitting 2 balls at a time. Okay, go ahead. Start the drill. Ready? Ready? Drop shot, drop shot. No. Again. All right, that's okay. Right up on the air. So the first ball you hit deep. Go ahead. And drop volley. Come on. Keep the ball in play. Here we go. Keep it in play. We're working on 2 homeworks. Come on. That's it. Come on. Drop shot. Good. Come on. Again, moving. Good. Again, come on. Drop shot. Come on. Good. Come on, moving. Don't move so far back. You're moving too far back. Good. Come on. Stay there. Stay right there. Come on. Again, ready? Good. Drop shot. Come on, drop shot. Okay? So this is 2 homeworks. The other drill that we did is the same, but the second ball was a swinging volley. Okay, same. Now swinging volley. Come on. Okay, that's okay. Here we go. Good. Swinging volley. Good. Come on. Good. Come on. Good. Let's go. Good. Good. Come on. All right? We're still in 2 homeworks. The next drill was he had to change. 1 time swinging volley, 1 time drop shot. Ready? Here we go. Come on. Got enough balls? 1 second. Let's pick up a few balls very quickly. So we're in 2 homeworks. If you saw the presentation yesterday, Harbati was talking about basically the same thing. You hit a number 1, you hit a number 4, and in your mind you have to be multiplying. This is basically the same concept. We are, at this time, these players are very good. I'm talking about we're playing with or practicing with players on the top. But if you start doing this with the juniors, they get very fast mentally Because the same drills that I do with the pros, I do with the juniors. The difference is that the pros don't miss. When I tell they don't miss, I mean they don't miss. They are machines. Okay? Be careful. Let's try that 2 homework one more time. Ready? Come on, come on. Don't lose it. No, 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 wait. Swinging volley is not a slice. Hit the ball like a man. There, come on. Good, touch. Good, come on. Good. Again, get ready. Good, come on. Don't back up, don't back up, don't back up, don't back up. Come on. Good, let's go. Good, come on. Again. All right. Thank you. So we are 2 homeworks. Now we go to 3. And we start very easy at the beginning. He's going to hit. The next ball is going to be a drop volley. But every time he hits the ball, he has to tell me a different color without missing. He cannot repeat the color. So very easy homework. But it's 3 homeworks. Ready? Give me a color, give me a color, give me a color. Wait. Okay, again. Okay, before you hit the ball that I fit to you, and now we're going to hit only drop volleys. Only drop volleys to make it easier. But you have to give me a color before you hit. Ready? You already say blue. Here we go. Come on.
Red.
Again. Color.
Yellow. Green. White. Is that a color?
Yes, a color. Come on.
Black. Violet.
You almost run out of colors on that time. All right. Easy homework. We go to the next easy homework. Same thing. 3 homework. 3 things at a time. Easy. Multiplication table. Ready? 2 times 2. 2 times 3. Ready? Here we go. Easy. 2 times 2. 6 times 3. 6 times 4. 5 times 5. 6 times 1. Okay? 3 homeworks. Now, Federer was unbelievable. I mean, when I tell you he didn't miss, he was so fast. I wouldn't finish to ask him the question he was already answering. And remember, they didn't miss. Now we'll go a little harder. Make him think. Ready? Capital of Spain. Ready? Aha. Capital of London. I have to get him on that one. But you understand the drills. Every time you make it harder and harder. If you want to make it even harder, you come to the net. Now you have to go very fast. We're going to go with 3 drills. every ball you're going to go to a read to the side, every ball to him, you cannot miss. But 2 balls very fast, and we go with the colors again. Here we go. Come on, come on.
Yellow. Blue.
It's okay. Here we go.
Red. Black. White.
Come on. Let me see if you guys notice what he did when the drills was faster. What did he do? Huh? Yeah, that's right. He didn't back up. At the beginning, I was telling, don't back up, don't back up, don't back up. And he was going all the way to here to hit the ball and recovering. When I moved him to the net, because the drill was a lot faster, he knew, mentally, he knew without even thinking that he couldn't back up. So he started playing closer to the line. And that's the key on the drill. On that drill is they have to play close to the line, and they're going to learn that very quickly. We're going to do it one more time, and we'll go to another drill very fast. Ready? Colors? He wants colors. All right. President of the United States. Hey, when I used to ask him, presidents, anything. I mean, the guy plain, he could talk about anything. He was so fast. That guy is so fast. No presidents? All right, let's talk. Give me, ready? Countries in Africa.
Nigeria. South Africa. There we go.
Pretty good, huh? He knew 3. But that's what happens. You see, when you start thinking and the drill keeps going faster, that's when they start getting tense. And they know that he knows the countries, but then he gets so tense. It's same thing in a match. If that ball comes faster and it's a break point, and the point gets faster, mentally, you're going to get so excited because you don't know what to do with the ball. And the idea is that you don't have to think. When you play those matches, you have to be completely playing in automatic. And that's our job as coaches. When these guys start playing professional tennis, they cannot think on the court. So the way we train them is this way. I'm going to do one more drill, because this morning they asked me that I don't practice with the girls. But one drill that we do with all the girls when they go from juniors to pro, you can go on the other side. Thanks for the help. Okay, you're on top of the line. Top of the line. And don't back up. Don't back up 1 inch. Why is the drill so important for the girls? Because when they go and play the pro tour, that's what they're going to find. All those guys hit the ball very flat, very hard at the feet. What is the key? The key is they have to be very low when the ball comes. They cannot back up, but they have to be every time right here. Very close, very low to the ground. You watch at the top women in the world. That's the way they play. And the way we start doing this drill is when they are young. When they are 13, 14, we're already with them a little easier like this at the beginning. As they get older, then we go all out. No mercy on those girls. Very good. Come on. Good. Very good. Stay low. Good. Come on. Very good. So you see the transition that we use. The drills are simple. Very simple. But they work. When we go to, about combinations, we use combinations. For example, I don't believe in the basket. Because I think the basket lies. You feed a ball, look, ready? Look how beautiful the stroke is. Beautiful strokes. Mechanically beautiful strokes. But when you put the ball in play, it's a different story. Because they have to judge the distance, the height, the speed of the ball. So that's where the baskets, when they're learning, is okay. The basket is good when we change in a stroke. But when these guys are at this level, very few times we use the basket. We use the basket to do repetition, and repetition only. Okay? Until they get the feel, for example, one of the drills that we do with all of them, go ahead and serve. Wait. Serve. Good job out there. You stay here with me. First, you're going to serve. The first ball I return, wherever it goes, you're going to hit a forehand to the open court. Wide serve. Perfect. Again, serve again. I'm ready. No. Ready? Forehand. Wherever it goes, you got to look for the forehand. So when we talk about patterns of play, first we start with the basket. Now, go ahead and return. One more serve. He's going to return. Why? Just make him play. Wherever the ball goes, it's a forehand to the open court. That's it. And I tell the students, even if the ball is in the parking lot, they go get the ball in the parking lot. If the ball is out, they go get the ball in the parking lot. So this is the first pattern of play. Serve, right away, forehand to the open court to control the center of the court. We start with the basket. When they get it, we do with live ball.